Okay guys, so don't talk about me too much because we about to get it together, but I am so excited that today I'm going to organize this fridge. As you see, I have plenty of food, but if you ask me on a day-to-day basis, I feel like I have nothing to eat. Why? Because I don't even know what's inside this fridge. Half of it is old, half of it is just who knows. But one, I think this is going to be really helpful for working moms. You know, you work long hours, you try to come home and you take care of your family, and the last thing you need is a whole lot of clutter, something else to frustrate you, something else to stress you out. So I think having a great organization in your fridge will help you, one, have more time for your family, two, be less stressed out. This is great for stay-at-home moms because it just, once again, adds more to the order and the structure so you and your family can have a good flow for the day. So we're going to start with this fridge, okay? That's hot right over. Wow, so that was really nasty. Like, I'm really embarrassed watching that now. It just makes me think, like, God has been too good to me for me to not be a good steward over my home, not to be taking care of the things that I need to be taken care of. Like, I should not have let this fridge get this nasty. But on a brighter note, it was really easy to clean. Like, once that hot water touched it and everything, it just came off easily. So I'm just going to continue taking everything out the fridge and just trying to get it out. Picked up from the Dollar Tree to kind of help me. I have these microwavable bowls that I plan to use for storage, some little see-through storage for like fruit or whatever. I'm gonna do something really cute with this. So this placemat, I got an idea, but I don't know how it's gonna look. This tub, I got an idea for. Got these little organizers, this bin. And I'm gonna see if I can create like a lazy Susan like with this. But this is all they really had. Not too much, but we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna see what we can make. Okay, so I gotta take a break because Harris is up, and as you see, he has his camera. Why did you take your camera down, buddy? No, mommy doesn't like when you do that. Come on. So I'm about to get his high chair, put it in the kitchen because the dog is out, and I don't like to be out the room when I don't like to be out of the room when the dog is out with Harris. So I'm about to bring him in the kitchen with me. I cleaned out all the Tupperware from Dollar Tree. So let's get to organizing the fun part. By now, I hope that you're just really motivated to just clean out your fridge. Take that hour. I think it took me about an hour's top to do this. Take the hour out of your Friday night, maybe your Saturday morning or Sunday afternoon, and just get it done. I'm organizing by packaging. I'm organizing by food type. So what you see right now is I'm taking everything that's in a glass container that's circular, and I'm just kind of putting it all together. This is my bootleg Lazy Susan, and I really like it. It really helped keep everything compartmentalized. So now you see me taking the lemons, the potatoes, the things that tend to take up a lot of room in the fridge. I'm going to put them in containers to kind of keep them together, keep them organized so it won't take up as much space. I know this may look ridiculous, but we use a lot of eggs in this house. And plus, all these had to sell 44 cents a dozen, so I couldn't pass it up. So I bought 3 dozens, and I'm going to put them in my glass bowl. And later on, you're going to see that I actually transformed it into like a more clear see-through glass bowl, so you can kind of like keep the theme like the same type of acrylic inside of the fridge. Okay, so this is looking great. I have the lemons, eggs, apples, all of that organized. I'm excited. So let me put them in the fridge now. Right now, I'm just putting everything in there, no particular order. I'm just doing it by eye. So my best way to organize is just kind of like figuring it out as I go. I have an idea in my mind, but I still just need everything to be in there so I can kind of shuffle through. Right now I'm just organizing all the produce. I rinsed them off. I'm prepping them for the week, so I don't have to dread, you know, that being another step in me cooking, that I have to take time out to rinse and do all of that type of stuff. That just kind of just is a big downer and just makes you not want to do it. So I'll put paper towel in there so it can absorb the moisture, keep it more fresh. And instead of all of that packaging in there, I have now minimized it in these Ziploc bags, so it's just going to fit easier. Finally, the part that I've been waiting for. I bought these poster stickers and I'm so excited to put them on here. It's really just to kind of help my family be more organized. You know, my husband, he can just kind of visually see where everything needs to go, so he can kind of help me keep it more organized. And it's just really fun for me. Like every time I open up my fridge, I'm like so in love. Like I know it looks extra and it's not that necessary, but still. And later on, I put an S at the end of snacks. I do not know why I did not just do this a long time ago. You ever did something was like, why not just do it? My life is so much easier. Like it's only been a week, but when I tell you I am not dreading going into my refrigerator, I'm not dreading cooking, I'm not dreading prepping. Like this is this is heaven. Ladies, get your fridge together. I promise you, especially working moms, I feel for you so much. I was a working mom for a hot second, and it was so stressful coming home after a long day from work, trying to figure out, okay, now I got to feed my family, and just have all of that pressure that's on you. This right here will make it so much easier. All you got to do is probably dedicate about 30 minutes to prepping your meal, getting together, feed your family. You can go about your night and spend this quality time with your kids, spend this quality time with your husband, whoever it may be. You have more time to relax at the end of the day. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Please, I'm urging you to organize your fridge. I think y'all forgot how it was looking at the beginning, so let's just do a flashback because it was disgusting. So be encouraged. Go at your own pace. Do what's necessary for you first. I know I'm at home, so I cook a lot. So that fridge was very necessary because we've been looking at our budget and it just kind of like, Ro is just kind of like, Jada, we really have to stop eating out. And he's right. Like, if I stay at home, why are we eating out every weekend? Or why are we eating out every day? Like, that's one thing that I should definitely have under control. And that's something that I want to have under control. So having my fridge organized is really going to help me accomplish that goal now. You need to eat your cheese. Eat your cheese, Harris.